Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get Mangalloy ingots in Subnautica 2. Mangalloy ingots are crafted using a processor with 1 titanium ingot, 1 atacamite, and 1 troilite. The titanium ingot is the easiest ingredient to get, simply crafted in the processor using 3 titanium. For atacamite, head to the ocean floor between east and southeast of the research outpost, around the alien power plant. You'll also find plenty of atacamite deposits near the angel comb beneath the power plant. To get troilite, follow the northeastern route of the angel comb. At the end of the route, continue northeast until you reach the glowing green metal farms biome. It's recommended to stay below 400 meters while traveling there to reduce your chances of encountering the collector leviathan. Within the metal farms biome, you'll find green mineral formations containing troilite. Use your sonic or feedback resonator to break them open and collect the resource. Once you've gathered all the required materials, return to your base and craft the Mangalloy ingot using the processor, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.